Hello everyone, I am Ankita Sharma. Today we are going to discuss about different birds. So let's get started. The name of the first bird is mourning dove. MOURNING, morning. DOVE, dove, mourning dove. Mourning doves are the most frequently hunted species in North America. The wings make an unusual sound upon takeoff. Mourning doves perch on telephone wires. The next bird is cardinal. CARDINAL, cardinal. A cardinal is a bright red songbird, and the word also refers to the bird's crimson color. Cardinals are most common in the eastern United States. These birds are found along woodland edges, marshlands, suburban areas, or city parks. And the third bird is blue jay. BLUE, blue, JAY, blue jay. It breeds in both deciduous and coniferous forests. It lives in most of the eastern and central United States. The beautiful bird is easily spotted in southern and western India as well as in the foothills of the Himalayas. The next bird is skylark. SKYLARK, skylark. It is about 7 inches 18 centimeter long with brown upper parts streaked with black and buffish white underparts. It breeds across Europe and has been introduced into Australia, New Zealand, Hawaii and British Columbia. They are mainly land birds that live in a wide variety of situations from open grassland to forest. Now it's time for my favorite bird, flamingo. FLAMINGO, flamingo. Flamingos have slender legs, graceful necks, large wings, and short tails. They range from about 90 to 150 centimeter, 3 to 5 feet tall. On some of East Africa's large lakes, more than a million lesser flamingos, Phoenicanias minor, gather during the breeding season. Flamingos get their pink color from the food.